So for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to set up your two-factor authentication or said 2FA on your R6 marketplace. So first, you need to open your Ubisoft Connect, and if you are wondering why do you need to open Ubisoft instead of your R6, because Ubisoft manages the authentication as well as the security settings for your account on R6. So, to prevent unauthorized access, enabling 2FA or two-factor authentication requires verifying your identity through Ubisoft's official channels to prevent unauthorized logins. So, after opening the Ubisoft Connect, you will direct to this page, which is you will need to click the account, and then on your profile, you must click the account management. So after clicking it, you will redirect to this page, and then there are a few options to choose. You must select the security tab. After selecting the security tab, there are a lot of text that will pop up, and there this blue highlight URL, and you must click this and you will redirect to this page. And then after seeing the two-step verification, you can now click the Manage button. After clicking it, you have two available options, which is the email, which is I already activated, and then you can now click the Authenticator app, which is like this, and you can now change it if you wanted to. And now you're already set up a two-factor authentication on your R6 marketplace.